Your job has an expiration date. Goldman Sachs just put a number on it, 300 million. That's how many jobs they say AI will swallow. The CEO of Anthropic goes further. 50% of entry-level jobs gone within 5 years. He called it a white-collar bloodbath. So are you next? Before you panic, look at this. In 1790, 90% of Americans worked on a farm. Then came the machine. By 1900, 40%. By 1970, 4%. Today, under 2%. An entire civilization of jobs erased. So unemployment exploded, right? Wrong, it barely moved, because every machine that killed a job created a new one. Steam killed the craftsman and built the factory. The computer killed the clerk and built the internet. Here's the part nobody tells you. 60% of the jobs we do today did not exist in 1940, invented by the same technology that was supposed to end work. So relax, not quite. This time has one difference: speed. The World Economic Forum ran the numbers. 92 million jobs vanish by 2030, but 170 million get created. Net gain 78 million. The work isn't vanishing, it's mutating. And the real threat was never the robot. 40% of your skills expire by 2030. The machine doesn't take your chair, your old skills do. So are you going to get replaced by AI? No, you'll be replaced by the person who learned to use it while you argued about it online. Every revolution rewarded the same people, the ones who adapted fastest. The tool was never the threat, standing still was. The robots aren't coming for you. The coworker using them is. I'll see you in the next one.